So this is outside of jewelry and purses, but I'm going to show y'all the world's smallest active worship Catholic church in the world, located in Round Top, Texas. We're going to go into this little building, spend just a few minutes and let you see inside. A very small cemetery. Look at these beautiful flowers. Spring has sprung in Texas, and there is nothing but gorgeousness everywhere. Take a look at those, and you can hear that bird chirping. Look how pretty those are. I don't know what type of flowers those are, but if y'all do, please comment below and let me know. Out here we see a lot of Indian paintbrushes, and I've been seeing also a lot of blue bonnets, which is really nice. So here's your Indian paintbrush. That's one of my mom's favorite flowers.
Well, yeah, can you think of one? They didn't even come in here and look. Did they look? Maybe they did. Did y'all look? Did you come in and look? Did you look in here already? You can write prayer requests.
Too far and too big for me to walk.
So smallest Catholic church in the world, and active. So if you're in Round Top, Texas, you can attend church here. Very beautiful building. '1870 to the present. We'll see y'all later. Bye.